Hi friends, let's start with kids' favorite food. Well, I did not plan to make video, but then my daughter asked me to do so. I already need my dough and it turned out to be so well. Then I chopped some onion, chicken frankies and made pizza sauce at home. And I cooked my chicken frankie with some garlic butter, saute it for some time, then added some red chili powder, cumin powder and tomato ketchup to it. Cook till it soaked all the flavors in it. You can add some more veggies as per your choice. So now we will start spreading our pizza sauce to the dough. Apply the sauce nicely and cover the whole dough area so you will have a good taste of it. Then we will start adding the mozzarella cheese. Add as much as cheese you want in it. Then we will start adding onion to it. You can add more veggies, but this time I am making only with chicken frank and onion. So I am adding good amount of chicken frank to it. Then again I will start pouring mozzarella all over the dough. You can add as much as you want. And then some chili flakes to it. I'll keep this in the oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Finally, it's done, looking so yummy. Do comment and let me know how you like the recipe. Do like, subscribe to my channel and share as well. Now start serving and enjoy.